In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap sheets or hide sheets in a dashboard. We're going to focus on using the Tableau app for these tasks, an essential tool for data visualization and analysis. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident swapping and hiding sheets in a way that's efficient and smooth, enhancing your dashboard's functionality without losing any data. Let's kick things off by launching the Tableau app. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and do so now. This software provides a dynamic environment for managing your data views and interacting with your visualizations. Once you're in, navigate to your worksheet. This is your workspace within Tableau where all your data comes to life. Make sure you're familiar with the layout here, as we'll be doing a lot of our work from this spot. Now, let's move over to your dashboard. Find and click on the dashboard you want to edit. If you're managing multiple dashboards, ensure you're selecting the right one for your intended edits. Within your selected dashboard, identify the sheet you want to swap. Perhaps it's a graph or a table that needs updating with a different perspective or dataset. Next, head over to the Sheets pane. This area serves as the repository for all your sheets. Think of it as your file cabinet for data visualizations. Here you'll look for and select the sheet you wish to swap into your dashboard. Finding the right sheet involves understanding your data needs, so take a moment to ensure it's the correct one. Onward to the swap action. You'll need to locate the swap sheet icon. This icon facilitates a seamless exchange without erasing any of your existing data. By clicking it, the sheet you picked earlier will replace the previous one in your dashboard setup. This swapping feature in Tableau is particularly powerful because it changes the presentation without losing any underlying data, allowing continuous iterations and updates. Now, let's shift gears to hiding sheets. To hide a sheet in your dashboard, click on its drop-down menu and select the Add Show Hide button option. This button allows you to control the visibility of your sheet dynamically. It's a helpful feature when you want to declutter your dashboard or focus on specific data insights on the go. To actually hide the sheet, press and hold the Alt key and click the button you just added. Voila! The sheet disappears from view, streamlining your dashboard and keeping the focus on what's most important at the moment. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to swap and hide sheets within Tableau. These skills will serve you well as you continue to build and refine data visualizations.